If you are using AI tools for writing, you have probably faced the same problem. Your content sounds robotic or gets flagged by AI detectors. That is where QuillBot Humanizer comes in. But the real question is it actually the best AI humanizer in 2026? Let's break it down quickly. What QuillBot Humanizer does. QuillBot Humanizer is designed to take AI generated text and rewrite it to sound more natural, human like, and readable. It focuses on improving flow, tone, and sentence structure while keeping the original meaning intact. Unlike basic paraphrasers, it tries to reduce the AI feel in the text so it passes as human written. Key features. Here are the main things it offers. AI text rewriting converts robotic sentences into smoother, natural writing. Tone adjustment helps make content more casual, formal, or balanced. Grammar improvement fixes structure and readability issues automatically. Fast processing generates rewritten content in seconds. Integration with QuillBot tools works alongside Paraphraser, Grammar Checker, and Summarizer. Performance. In real use, QuillBot Humanizer does a solid job making text sound more natural. Simple AI generated paragraphs become smoother and easier to read. However, it is not perfect. While it improves readability, some advanced AI detectors can still pick up patterns, especially on heavily AI written content. So it's better seen as a refinement tool, not a full AI detection bypass solution. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, fast results, improves readability significantly, works inside a full writing toolkit. Cons: not 100% reliable against AI detectors, limited deep rewriting control compared to advanced tools, best results often require manual editing after. Final verdict. So is QuillBot Humanizer the best AI humanizer in 2026? It's definitely one of the most convenient and beginner-friendly options. It's great for students, bloggers, and content creators who want cleaner, more natural text quickly. But if your goal is to fully bypass AI detection or produce highly advanced human-like writing, you may need more powerful tools or manual refinement. Overall, it's a strong tool, but not a magic solution. That's the quick review. If you want more AI tool breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you in a new review.